Welcome to your active system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCore Active Hand and Wrist System for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the power cord included with your system. Plug it into the USB-C port on the bottom of the OrthoSource controller. You'll see a red light turn on. This means the system is charging. After about 90 minutes, the red light will turn off, letting you know it's fully charged. Step 1. Prepare the OrthoPods. Open a new package of OrthoPods 5 to 10 minutes before your session so they have time to warm up. Make sure the logoed side is facing down or they won't warm properly. Step 2. Start your therapy. Gently insert the OrthoPods into the OrthoDocs on your device. You'll feel the magnets pull them into place. Once your therapy session starts, a blue light will appear on the OrthoSource. Each session runs for 2 hours. You're now ready to begin your therapy session. Here's how to wear the OrthoCore Active Hand and Wrist System for therapy. If you're having trouble putting the device on, try laying it flat on a table or other surface to make things easier. For wrist fitting, orient the device with the thumb hole positioned away from your body. Slide your hand through the elastic strap on the inside of the device and place your thumb through the hole. Gently pull the elastic adjustment strap until the device feels secure, being careful not to over-tighten. Close the outer flap and secure it in place with the hook and loop closure. For hand fitting, orient the device with the thumb hole positioned close to your body. Slide your fingers through the elastic strap on the inside of the device and place your thumb through the hole. Gently pull the elastic adjustment strap until the device feels secure, being careful not to over-tighten. Close the outer flap and secure it in place with the hook and loop closure. Important: do not over-tighten the device. A secure but gentle fit helps protect delicate nerves and maintain circulation. If the device feels too tight or uncomfortable, loosen it slightly. When your therapy session is complete, the blue light on the controller will flash for about 2 minutes before turning off completely. Gently remove the device from your body. Remove the used OrthoPods from your device. The magnets will release easily. Discard them in the trash after use.